Toyota's about 100 yards away with a busted airflow meter. Whatever, it's nice. Nice day. Hear the gun practice in the background. Okay. People have been asking some questions about the stump grinder. So I'm out here in the back barn. Man, this place is packed. Let me see if I can climb over and discuss. Okay. So you can see what this is. Those are just standard pillow blocks. There was a piece of keyed shaft I already had. What do I got here? These are some spacer rings that I just welded on there, just to keep everything captive so it can't walk out of there. These are the Toro blades. You can see how it's 4 bolt-on segments. You can find them on eBay. And that hub, it's a chunk of metal. I can't remember if I bought that or had it, but I use my Atlas Craftsman lathe as an indexing head to get that bolt pattern, and made that hub, and I just went ahead and welded it to the shaft permanently. And that's about it, how that's done. As you can see, I've added some belt guides to help keep it from flying off. And there's a couple idlers. And there's a handle so I can engage and disengage. And this pulley's a little lighter. These are stamped steel pulleys, a little smaller diameter compared to the bigger cast iron pulley. It was just a little too much weight spinning around there. I plan on cutting this hoop. I'll probably just notch it, and I'm going to bend it up. Give me a little more front clearance. And I got to come up with some way to tow this thing around the property. It's probably going to be some kind of arm. Pivots here. It just lays back when it's not being used. And I can flip it over. There's some kind of hitchy deal on there. This is it's a real pain to maneuver as far as getting it from one place to another. This doesn't really hook onto a hitch real well, and so that's where that's at. And we got teeth. Alright. Okay, didn't kill myself climbing out there. Yeah, I got a lot of cutting to do. There was a contract with the previous owners to take the hay for the next 3 years. They cut it a few days after I bought the place, and I haven't seen them since. So I'm going to be documenting all the weeds, and I'll be cutting this mess for maintenance as soon as I find a bush hog.